Hey guys, this is Matt coming at you from Matt's Basement Arcade here. Finally getting out another video. I know it's been a while, but I just got my new Replicade in. Customs decided that they wanted to hold on to it until I went out of town to go to Boston for the weekend. So here we are, finally getting to take a look at it. Let's open it up here and see what we got going on. See, they had to customize the outside box, so of course we're going to have to keep this because it's collectible. And here's one of the good signs already, is that they know this is going to be a collectible piece. People are going to want to keep the box. It's going to get banged around during shipping. So it is anchored pretty well inside the outside packaging to protect the actual box. And of course it's in the plastic shrink wrap. Part of me wants to leave it in here for the next 20 years and sell it, and the other part of me really wants to get into this thing and start playing it. Alright, so let's get inside this thing, take a look and see what we've got here. Of course we're going to have an instruction manual. And then again, here we are, well protected. Got the styrofoam block holding everything in place to protect the screen. It really is kind of a work of art just to see the little tiny dynamo cabinet right there. So if you come on around to the back here, you've got the little USB mini fight stick in its storage compartment. And here I think quality control did their job. I had heard some people complaining about the screen being a little scratched, bubbling on the side of the cabinet, but mine doesn't really appear to have any issues. Even the scale on the coin door looks pretty nice. About the only negative thing I'd say would be there's no inserts on the coin return buttons. But see, nice smooth sides. So I think the one that was getting the bubbling was more of a one-off. Definitely not on all of the units. Just again, the attention to detail. They even put the padlock hasp on the back door. You've got your USB ports for adding additional USB fight sticks, which I believe are on sale now. One thing I am curious to see once I get a little bit more playtime in is if I can get used to the controls, because everybody's talking about how good they are, but I am kind of still wondering with the ability with dragon punches and fireballs consistently, I can't do it like I can on a real machine. Wow, even the joysticks and buttons even have that authentic arcade click to them. Here's the back of the box if you want to pause it here to read it so we don't have to add content to the video. And inside the box you've got your instruction manual, 4 rubber feet for stability, the mini coins, USB cable. And one I almost missed is this little panel here. There's a second USB cable. So here we've got the boot up screen with Replicade Amusements, Capcom logo. And you've got your authentic boot up sequence, the edition showing. And really the only difference here is they changed this copyright screen, which probably is because the copyright from back then doesn't apply now. But we've got your classic introduction scene. Music sounds pretty spot on. One thing I do wish is I wish they did have the Turbo Hyper Fighting and not just the Champion Edition and Super Street Fighter Turbo. A complete set would have been nice. One of the other things I'd like to see would be the original Street Fighter World Warrior that had all the glitches, like the Guile Handcuffs, Guile Reset, Dhalsim's Teleport. You know, some of these moves inspired some of the moves in this game. One of the things I didn't even notice until someone else pointed it out is actually how here on the Guile stage, you just have the blue line, you don't have the star in the middle, which some trivia we found later was actually changed in other games. So you can even open the coin door as well as the cash box. Not sure exactly what you can fit in there, but it's kind of neat that you probably could store your little mini tokens in there. The coin reject buttons are actually how you add credits to the game and enter the test mode, by the way. Just going to kind of briefly touch on that now because I got another video coming as soon as the newborn will take a nap long enough for me to record some more. But as you can see, if you enter the test mode by accident instead of the credit, you don't lose your spot. You can back right out, pick up where you left off. Okay guys, that's about it for this video, but as always, if you like what you see and want to see more, please click that like button, click that subscribe button. What do you want to see in the gameplay? Anything in particular you want to test? What questions do you have? Put them down in the comments. We'll take a look. See you next time.